Today we're going to give y'all a condo update. We try to come on weekly and let y'all know what kind of progress has been made. And last weekend we went over to the condo, we took y'all along, and we showed y'all the updates that we'd made that week. And we went over that the sheetrock had arrived, it had been delivered, and we had 70 sheets. So we were hoping that the sheetrockers would show up this week and get started. Ben also went over our budget and kind of told y'all where we were as, on our budget and how much we'd spent on our remodel so far. This is how we left it last week. There were 70 sheets of sheetrock sitting in there. So like I say, we were hoping and praying the sheetrockers would come and we'd get some sheetrock progress going this week. Well, Ben went over, I think, on Tuesday, so this is day one. And, of course, as soon as he opened the door, you could tell the sheetrockers had come. They had gotten started, so it's like a huge mess right now, but I don't think there's ever been a sentence of where somebody has said sheetrock is a neat process, because it's not. It's probably one of the messiest processes of a remodel there is. But you can see they got a lot of the sheetrock up. There are some places that, they'll have to come back and work on to finish up the sheetrock, on the next day. But they did get a great start, and we're very happy that they did get to come this week and get started. It's already making so much progress, just getting more walls up, and especially the ceiling. And the majority of the ceiling is up. So I'm so happy. This right here is the bedroom. It's kind of hard to tell what rooms or what at this point, but this is the bedroom. So they did get started on it. And this right here is our master bath. And if y'all watched the previous videos, y'all saw that we got our showers and our bathtubs installed. We wanted to do that before the sheetrockers came so they could, sheetrock around them. Now this is what it looks like on day one of the sheetrockers. And like I say, it's a complete mess, but sometimes you just got to get the mess going to get some progress made. Now this is day two. We went over on day two, we opened the door, and this is what it looks like on day two. They came back, y'all. Another day of sheetrock, and y'all, the majority of the sheetrock at this point, it's up. We found one spot in the little guest bathroom that was not sheetrocked yet, so we're not sure why they did not do that little spot, but I'm sure they'll get to it. But they did do a little cleanup, so that was great too. And some more good news as far as the sheetrock is, it looks like 70 sheets of sheetrock pretty much did the job, so they're not going to need any more sheetrock, so that's good. Now this is our master bedroom, so just kind of panning y'all around, let y'all see what progress was made. And can't believe I now have ceilings. Just putting the ceilings in the condo just made just such a huge difference to me, just to get all that piping and, that air conditioning, the central unit pipes and stuff like that. Just get those covered up. To me, just really brought it all together. But as, you can see, we've got a big mess, but they are supposed to clean all this up when they get done, because they still got another messy job ahead. They've still got to come in and mud it and, sand it down. So hopefully they'll come in a day or two or next week and start the mud process. So, but before they do that, Ben just kind of was doing a little bit of, house cleaning. He thought, I better, cover up these appliances a little bit better. So when they do mud the ceilings and the walls, anything that may fall or drip, hopefully we can, keep it off the appliances as much as we can. And we're real fancy with our tarps. We just cut up garbage bags, and he's just going to wrap some tape around that. And like I say, just kind of try to protect the appliances that we have left in there. And we've been going back and forth as far as how we want to remodel the kitchen. We've been going back and forth about the granite countertop that's over there to the left. Did we want to get rid of that and just go with a different kind of countertop, or do we want to use the existing granite? And we've gone back and forth, but I think we've decided we're going to stick with the existing granite and see if we can get somebody to come in and make some, cabinetry to fit it back. This day we went over, I want to show y'all the water. There was a huge storm brewing, so the sky was just really creepy looking, so just kind of wanted to, this is what it's all about, is that waterfront and that view. So that's about all we got done this week, y'all. So make sure next week, stay tuned. Hopefully we'll have some more exciting news and some more progress to show y'all. So until then, we appreciate y'all watching, and we'll see y'all again in the next video. Bye, y'all.